What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Scardo707, man. And today, I'm about to be changing the oil on a 2003 Chevy Malibu. See what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Alright, first I'm going to start by removing this oil cap, filler cap. Then I'm going to go down and loosen the oil drain plug and let it drain out. So let's do it. Alright, while I let that oil drain, I'm going to run to the auto parts store and pick up a couple of things. And then we'll get right back to it. I'm just now leaving O'Reilly's on my way back to the house to install these couple of parts. It's just the oil filter and the oil drain plug. That's it. So let's go. Now we just reinstall that oil drain plug. And we make sure it's nice and tight. We gotta undo a couple of these fasteners for this plastic shield so we can remove the oil filter. Let's do that now. Don't even trip on the jack. I only got it there to raise it up a little bit so I can get to this damn oil filter. Alright, so before we install the new filter, remember to apply a little bit of oil to the seal on the new filter. Now we install the plastic cover. We install the fasteners. Now all we have to do is refill it with oil, replace the fuel filler cap, and that's it. That's a Chevy Malibu oil change.